Hello Mushkins, and in this video I'm going to be attempting to recreate some of your suggested slime designs on Instagram. So on Instagram I asked you all to comment some ocean themed slime designs for this video, so I'm really excited to show you which ones we chose. So this first slime design was suggested by Silly Slime Official, and they wrote that it should be a blue and green swirl with blue glitter, green foam beads, and a whale charm, as well as a clay boat charm on top of the slime. So I decided to use some green and blue food coloring and then just swirl that all together on top of some green foam beads, and that's how you get that swirled, pretty swirled look. And then I actually went and crafted a little boat out of some polymer clay, and it was really difficult to do, which I then added to the top of this slime. And I also decided to add some really pretty glitters from Dream Sequence on the top as well, just to make it a little bit more interesting. Thank you, Silly Slime, for this beautiful suggestion, and I really hope that I made it according to what you thought it would look like. And then if you would like to see what the slime looks like with the sun shining on it, just wait until the very end of this video. This next slime was designed by French Fry 2091, and they said it should be a clear blue slime with fishbowl beads at the bottom and then some rainbow clay at the bottom as well to represent the corals, which I thought was a really cute idea. And then I also just decided to add some glow-in-the-dark stars at the bottom just to make it a little bit more interesting. And I also decided to put the swirl of rainbow clay at the top of the slime and not at the bottom, just because it would make for a nicer mixing video if you do it at the top. And if you would like to know what clay brands are good for slime making, we did do a whole video reviewing a bunch of clay brands, and I will put that video link in the description. The end color of the slime wasn't that great, but I loved mixing everything together. So thank you so much for this lovely idea, French Fry. And it was a really clever concept. This next slime was designed by Poopsicles2019, and they said it should be a light blue slime with jelly cubes and a whale charm, and then the jelly cubes are supposed to represent ice cubes. I thought this slime design was so clever, and I couldn't stop playing with this slime. I ended up squishing all of the jelly cubes. It was so much fun. So thank you so much for this lovely slime idea. And then this next slime was designed by ZC0528, and they said it should be a clear and blue food coloring swirl with 2 seashell charms and lots of blue glitter. So I decided to add in a lot of different types of blue glitter and make a really pretty swirl. And then just remember to watch until the very end if you want to see what these slimes look like when the sun shines on them. It is so beautiful. This next slime was designed by Acro Sarah, and it's a clear slime with orange and white swirls and fishbowl beads, and it's supposed to represent Finding Nemo, which I thought was such a cute slime idea. I didn't really want to use white paint for this slime, so I decided rather to use some orange food coloring and then to add a little spot of pearl pigment, and that sort of created that white and orange swirl. This next slime was designed by Cookie Sparkle Toes, and in their design they said that it should have a sand color base. So we decided to take some icing slime and to put that at the bottom, and then they also wanted some fishbowl beads on top of that layer with a fish charm and clear blue slime. And there were so many people in the comments of the Instagram video that suggested a design similar to this one, and we also decided to add some green shredded glitter and some flowers just to represent all the plants and things at the bottom of the ocean. This slime was so pretty. I just didn't want to mix it because it looked so pretty, but it was so much fun to mix it in, and I love the concept behind this slime. This next one was designed by Lemmy Slime, and I absolutely love the idea behind this slime. And the whole idea was that it should be a swimming effect. So there should be lots of glitters in the slime and lots of fish charms and things to sort of represent that everything is swimming around in the ocean, if that makes sense. And the design was to have a sand colored clay slime at the bottom of the slime, but I decided to leave that out just because it will spoil the end color of the slime. And I really wanted this one to be a pretty glittery slime, and I loved the idea so much that I decided to do it in a 500ml tub. This ended up being such a beautiful clear slime, so thank you so much, Lemmy Slime, for this really lovely idea. This next style was designed by Del Portnia, and it's sort of inspired by the character Sebastian from The Little Mermaid. So it's a red clear slime with lots of red and gold glitters and fishbowl beads, but I decided rather to keep it a clear slime and to mix in a lot of red and gold glitters, and it was so satisfying to mix in all of these colors, and I just thought the whole idea of this slime was so cute. And then the last slime was designed by Slime Ooh La La, and their whole idea was to have a sunset type slime, so a clear slime in pink, orange and yellow layers, sort of in an ombre effect, and I thought that was such a cute idea. And then they also wanted a mermaid charm to stick out at the top, but we didn't have any mermaid charms, so just imagine that there's a mermaid charm sticking out at the top. So I divided my big blob of clear slime into 3 and then just colored the individual blobs in pink, yellow and orange, and then just added them in the layers. And my ombre effect didn't work out so well, but I'm definitely going to try out this slime again sometime. I love the design. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope that you enjoyed seeing all of these beautiful slime designs. And please let me know in the comments if you have any designs of your own or any name suggestions for the slime shown in this video. And don't forget to go and follow us on Instagram. We often have these little games and slime design challenges on Instagram, so make sure to go and follow there so that you don't miss out on the next one.